Welcome back. In this training video, we'll learn how to set up and use discounts. But before we go too far, let's briefly cover why discounts are created and how they're used in FOURA. Discounts are generally created after a sales promotion is set up. And once discounts are created, they can be selected on a quote or sales order line. And as you would expect, selecting an active discount and applying it is easy to do in FOURA. We're confident that you'll find this methodology simple to use, effective, and easy to manage. So let's get started. There are two ways to access discounts in FOURA. The first way to access discounts is through the Sales and Pricing menu, then go to the Pricing submenu, where you can select the Discounts menu icon. It can also be accessed by typing DIS in the menu code entry area in the FOURA Navigator. This form looks like and has all the functionality of a browse form, yet this is one of the few forms in FOURA that allows direct editing instead of having to go through a workflow-specific add form. Also keep in mind that it's entirely possible that the position and size of my columns may be different than yours. Remember that in FOURA, each user can access the column chooser to select the columns to view, move them where they want, and size their columns to best suit their individual preferences. To learn more about this, please refer to the column chooser subject in the FOURA help file. So let's do it. Let's set up a discount for 10% off sales orders of $100 or more. So the first step is to select an active promotion. And by initiating a new record, FOURA automatically sets the active flag and identifies the 3 required fields that need to be populated. Entering these 3 fields only lets you save the discount. It's not enough to establish an effective discount. Now, we need to enter a unique alphanumeric code that can be up to 10 digits long. Then we need to write a brief description of the discount. Then we need to set the effective dates, which is the start date and the end date for the discount. Now we can select the type of discount by selecting either an amount or a percentage from the drop-down menu. Since we selected a discount percentage, we'll need to enter a value in the discount percentage field. Then we'll need to add $100 into the minimum purchase field. And that's the setup. Keep in mind that many types of discounts can be created with these controls. We could create a discount for 15% off any one item. We could also create and enter a discount for $1 off a box of pencils, with a maximum of 4 boxes purchased. As you can see in the examples above, there are many combinations of discounts that can be created using this framework. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned I'd show you a second place to view discounts. To do so, we need to go to the Sales and Pricing menu, then to the Sales submenu, to find the Promotions menu icon. This form can also be accessed by typing PRO in the menu code entry area in the FOURA Navigator. This is my preferred way of looking at discounts because it provides me with all the related information of the promotion and discounts in one spot. And as you can see, it has the same information with the added benefit of being able to see the sales leads, quotes, and sales orders that are affiliated with the promotion. Anyone with the assigned Sales Manager security role can monitor sales activities to see how the promotion is performed over time. Having these records helps the business understand the ROI for the promotion, as well as provides insight to the lead, the quote, and the sales order conversion rates. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. Please be sure to check out additional tutorials to learn more about FOURA's powerful features, processes, and tips. Thanks for watching.